Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're answering a big question that a lot of bloggers still ask: can you still make money with Google AdSense on a blog in 2025? With so many people shifting to YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, does blogging with AdSense even make sense anymore? Let's break it down. First, a quick refresher. Google AdSense is Google's advertising program where you place ads on your website or blog, and you earn money whenever visitors click or view those ads. It's basically the simplest way to monetize a blog because you don't need to sell anything yourself. Google does all the heavy lifting. But the real question is, does it still pay well in 2025? Here's the truth. Yes, AdSense still works. But the way you earn depends on two main things: your traffic, how many people visit your blog; your niche, what your blog is about. Some niches like finance, insurance, and health pay very high CPMs, sometimes 200 rupees to 500 rupees per 1000 views. But entertainment, memes, or random lifestyle posts? You might only get 20 rupees to 50 rupees per 1000 views. So it's not about can you earn, but more about what you write about and how much traffic you get. Let's put numbers on it. If you have a blog with 1 lakh monthly views in a low-paying niche, you might earn only 2000 rupees minus 5000 rupees. But the same 1 lakh views in finance or tech could make 15,000 rupees minus 40,000 rupees. So yes, you can still make money with AdSense, but the earnings depend heavily on choosing the right niche and building consistent traffic. Let's look at the pros and cons quickly. Pros: easy to set up. Works automatically once approved. No need to deal with brands directly. Cons: income is not stable, it depends on traffic and advertiser demand. You need a lot of visitors to make serious money. Google can disable accounts if policies are violated. So while it's good, relying only on AdSense is risky. Section 5, Smart Strategy in 2025 to 1.5 minutes. So, what's the smarter way forward? In 2025, most successful bloggers don't rely only on AdSense. They combine it with affiliate marketing, promoting products related to their niche and earning commissions. Sponsored posts, brands paying directly for visibility. Selling digital products, like ebooks, courses, or templates. This way, AdSense becomes one of many income streams, not the only one. Think of AdSense as the bonus money for your blog while the real income comes from multiple channels. So to answer the big question, can you still make money with AdSense on a blog? Yes, absolutely. But it's not the golden ticket it used to be. You need the right niche, good traffic, and ideally, multiple monetization methods to make it sustainable. If you're starting a blog today, treat AdSense as just one piece of your income puzzle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe for more content on blogging, finance, and online income.